Hey, what's up? It's Raven, and welcome to football weekend. First week of football, and to commemorate, celebrate, whatever you want to talk about, whatever you want to call it, I feel like I'm just going to open up some NFL 5 packs. We are doing 2021, and we got 2 boxes here. We're only going to do one now. We'll save the other one for another video. I have 2022 is out now, but it's kind of hard to find. So we'll work on that. But for right now, let's just get right into this and open up some packs. All right, I'm not exactly sure who I'm looking for. But anyway, so we got, who is this? Aaron Jones, DeAndre Swift, Nick Foles, here's a play, Eric Kendricks, Calvin Ridley, Kendall Fuller, Emmanuel Ogba, and the rare is Amari Cooper. Put him on the side. Let's open up another one. Let's try to open up another one. There we go. All right, here we go. DJ Reader. Jeffrey Simmons. I already see a foil. Alec Ingold. Patrick Queen. And there it is. Myles Garrett, legendary. Foil. Check that out. Awesome. Throw that on the side. Here's Saquon Barkley. DeMarcus Lawrence. Action power up. Sideline to sideline. And new to this set is a Synergy, Platoon Tactics. Synergies is something that you could add to a player, like a power-up or a team, and you know, to give you some sort of bonuses and whatever. All right, so put that on the side, and we'll get one more in here. So already, one legendary right out of the box, and it's a foil too. All right, ooh, look at this, Jack Fox, a punter. All right, so they have kickers and punters in this set now. Under the Lights, an environmental card, common. Jimmy Garoppolo, Zach Cunningham, David Bakhtiari, who's an epic. Cancel a superstar player card ability. That's the other thing new in this set is superstar cards. Put him on the side. Jesse Bates, CJ Mosley, Bryce Callahan, and the rare is Fletcher Cox. Put him on the side. All right, moving on. All right, we are looking at a common play. Daniel Jones, there he is. Donovan Wilson. Challenge the defense. Here's an epic Nick Chubb. Nice, that's 2 epics and a legendary so far. Right in the beginning of the box, too. We got Raheem Mostert, Bradley Roby. We got Snow, uncommon. Weather play, and the rare is Wyatt Teller. So yeah, right at the beginning of the box here, we got a legendary, foil no less, and 2 epics. I don't know what the odds are of getting any of those things, so I didn't really look. But so far, this box has been pretty good. All right, here we go. Darnell Savage. Challenge the defense. Cam Newton, T. Higgins, Rashawn Evans. Here's a Synergy turnover machine. Interesting. That must be for Sam Darnold. Ryan Kelly, uncommon. Josh Jacobs, and the rare is Michael Thomas. There are 24 packs in this box. I haven't mentioned that. You know, we're looking for Tom Brady, Patrick Mahomes. Those would be the big hits here. Hunter Renfrow, Hayden Hurst, a common play. Taysom Hill. Here's a foil, Tyler Boyd, uncommon. Nice. Put him on the side in the foil section. Cole Beasley. Uncommon play. Evan Ingram. And the rare is Ronnie Stanley. All right. All right, come on, pack. All right, so we got Jalen Smith, who I think is out for the season. Miles Sanders, Marquez Valdez-Scantling, common play, Kirk Cousins, Zeke Elliott, who was an epic in the 2020. He's down to one uncommon. Action power-up, read the defense, Minka Fitzpatrick, who was only an uncommon, and the rare is Fog. Interesting. Again, looking for pretty much everybody that's on this on the cover of the box here. Kamara, who's that? Derrick Henry, Tom Brady, Mahomes, Aaron Donald, and who's that? Devontae Adams. All right, so here we go. Heat Wave. So weather is a big deal in this version of the game. Here's a Synergy Solid General, Solo General, sorry, and it's a common. Michael Pittman, Michael Brockers, Jeremy Chin, uncommon play. There's Cooper Kupp. Now, why is he an uncommon? Because he has a legendary or a superstar card, which is new to the game. This version of the season. Yeah, Cooper Kupp has an uncommon. It's crazy. Brian Burns, and the rare is Tre'Davious White, who I believe was a rare in the last in 2020. Pretty sure it was rare. Come on. All right. So we got a common play. Jamison Crowder on the Jets. Jared Goff. Crowd noise. Maybe good for Seattle. All right. So we got Devontae Parker. You see that? Foil. Nice. And it's an uncommon foil. DK Metcalf. Josh Lambo, another kicker. Matt Ryan, and the rare is Harrison Smith, who I think he was a rare in the last game as well. All right. I thought that one was going to give me trouble. All right. We got Terrell Edmonds, David Johnson, Open Air Stadium. Here's another Synergy Game Plan Overload, common. Logan Thomas, Chase Young, Mike Gesicki, an uncommon Synergy in-game adjustments. There's a lot going on there. And the rare is Calais Campbell. There he is, Joe Burrow, as a common. I think he, I don't know if he's got a superstar card or a legendary card. I don't know. He's definitely not worth a common. Leonard Fournette, L'Jarius Sneed, Isaiah Simmons. Here's Donovan Wilson, foil, common foil. Brandon Cooks. Zero Flags. Interesting, uncommon. Here is a Synergy, No Guts, No Glory. And the rare is Dalvin Cook. right. All right, we are starting with John Bostic, Chase Winovich. Here is Balanced Approach, Synergy, common. Jalen Hurts, Jeff Okuda, Okuda, I don't know. AJ Brown, Derek Carr, Marcus Peters, and the rare is Adam Thielen. I noticed the last two rares that I got out of the last two packs have both been Vikings. And I remember somebody on the Discord saying that there's not enough Vikings in the game. Okay, here's Kenneth Murray, DJ Moore, common play. I see a sparkly Denzel Mims. That's actually a bad picture. It's too dark, and it's, even though it has a common, a little strange pick there, but whatever. Oh my God, it's Daniel Jones. Of all people to get a foil, it's Daniel Jones. It's actually pretty funny. All right, so here's Quinn Williams. I got two Jets and a Giant in one pack. Bradley Chubb, an uncommon play with a Giant on it. And the rare is Freezing Rain. Interesting. All right, we still haven't hit our rookie yet either. There's one rookie in every box. And again, just like last time, if it's foil, that means you'll get two. But we haven't seen one yet. All right, so we got a common play. Jerome Baker. David Montgomery. Carlos Dunlap. An epic play, which is unique, and I know for a fact that you can only use one unique play in your deck, and we got an epic out of it. Down the side, uncommon play, Marshawn Lattimore, Dak Prescott, and the rare is Neutralize, an action card. Put that over there. Still no rookie. All right, we're upside down here. All right, Joe Schobert. J.J. Watt as a common. That's interesting. I'm pretty sure he has a another card as well. Antonio Gibson, Carson Wentz, Rainstorm, common. Field Dynamics, uncommon. Juju Smith-Schuster, uncommon. Zadarius Smith, and the rare is Austin Eckler. All right. Okay, come on. All right, we are looking at Noah Fant, Tag Team, Chase Claypool, Darren Fells, Dome Stadium, I almost said Doom Stadium, is Matt Stafford, uncommon, Robbie Anderson, Tyler Lockett, and the rare is Daniel Hunter. And another Viking. So yeah, there might not be a lot of Vikings in this game, but the ones that they have are all, high-profile cards. All right, CeeDee Lamb, Kyle Allen, Trayvon Mullen, Sam Darnold. Here's an epic Cameron Jordan. Nice. James Robinson, Buda Baker, Terry McLaurin, and the rare is a Power Up in the Zone. I think we got 6 packs left, and still no rookie. All right, we're going to start with LaMichael Pirine, not even on the Jets anymore. I think he got cut from the Eagles as well. Jamie Collins, common play. Tua, turn the ball over. There he is, superstar Patrick Mahomes, legendary. This is a big hit here, something I was looking for. I didn't know it was going to be a superstar or a legendary card, but this is it. All right, so we got a preseason game. Nice. Joe Mixon. I'm still excited about that Patrick Mahomes. Ryan Tannehill and Mike Evans is the rare. All right, so I'm not exactly sure. Again, I don't know what the odds of these boxes are, but I got 2 legendaries in one box. So that's got to count for something. Still no rookie, but 2 legendaries in one box. That's pretty sick. All right, so common play. Blake Martinez. Oh, I got a foil in here. Jerry Jeudy. Forced audible, not forced fumble. David Bakhtiari. Epic foil. I feel like a lot of the epics that I got today were linemen. Jonathan Taylor, uncommon. I feel like he probably has a better card also. Sunny Skies, James Bradbury, and the rare is Situational Recall. Alright, I got more packs in there than I thought. Here's Ben. Randall Cobb. Sony Michel. Sheldon Richardson. Amari Hooker. Melvin Gordon. An uncommon play. Chris Harris Jr. And Derwin James, which I got him in the last box. He was also rare, so I'll have to see which one is better, 2020 or 2021. All right, Allen Robinson, Anthony Firkser, Aaron Jones as a common, Nick Foles, common play, Chris Jones, Marquise Brown, uncommon play, and the rare is Deshaun Watson. Yeah, about that. We're down to 3 packs. Still no rookie. Maybe we save the best for last. All right, Max Crosby. Devin Singletary. Common play, Darius Slayton. There he is. There's my rookie, Zach Wilson. And he's on foil, so that's it. But we got a Zach Wilson, nice. Micah Hyde. Eric Armstead. Julian Blackmon. And the rare is a play. All right, 2 more. Drew Lock. Common, was it action defense, audible. Rodney McLeod, triple take. Jacoby Myers. Kyler Murray. Jerry Hughes. Uncommon play, and DeForest Buckner. And the last pack in this box, I dropped it. Retrieving pack. Let's see what we get. Last pack, Eric Kendricks, Jack Fox, another kicker, Under the Lights, Jimmy Garoppolo. We have a foil situational recall. David Onimata, Austin Hooper, Deja Vu, and Fred Warner as the rare. Okay, so let's see what we got in this box. Non-rares, let's put it that way. So first things first, we'll go through my foils. All right, so we ended up with Situational Recall, which was a rare, Daniel Jones, which was a common, Donovan Wilson, which was also a common, Tyler Boyd, which was an uncommon, and Devontae Parker, all uncommon but all foils. Then the big hits of the box. So I guess we'll count these up. So we start with an epic Nick Chubb, epic David Bakhtiari, we got an epic unique play, we got a David Bakhtiari epic foil. It's pretty cool. And an epic Cameron Jordan. So that was what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 epics. Then we got our rookie, which was Zach Wilson. And we got 2 legendaries. So we got a Myles Garrett, and it was a foil too, which is pretty awesome. And we ended up with Patrick Mahomes Superstar legendary card. So I read that off camera real quick, and I'm gonna have to read that again. I'm gonna have to look in the rules because it is a lot of words and a lot of stuff you got to think about and do. You know, I don't even know the rules through and through yet to actually tell you what he actually does. But being that it's a superstar card, I'm pretty sure that it's good. Anyway, that's the box. 2 legendaries, 1 rookie, 5 epics, and a bunch of foils, which I didn't count. That is NFL 5. Good luck to all your teams this weekend in opening day, I guess, unless you're Buffalo or the Rams. But outside of that, please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, and MLB will still be a regular thing here. Maybe we'll just do NFL videos on the weekend. We'll see what happens. But anyway, like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.